Good afternoon. Today we are going to be making some brownies because if you want to know anything about me, I am obsessed with making brownies. Like, I love to bake, but brownies are just like top tier baking things for me. Also, I know I sound a little bit crazy right now. I'm recovering from a cold, but that's neither here nor there. So we're gonna start off with, so let's back up for a minute. Valentine's Day is in like 2 weeks, so I really want to make some type of Valentine's Day brownies. So of course I went on Pinterest and I'm gonna be attempting to recreate these. Like, if I'm gonna put some inspo pictures here, but I'm gonna attempt to recreate those today. But first we're gonna start with a little bit of a haul, I guess, of everything I got to make this run smoothly. And I haven't been able to hear myself talk in like 3 days. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, starting off, we have the box of brownies because I am not the type of baker that makes anything from scratch. That's like my dream to be able to do that, but for right now we're gonna stick with box brownies. Okay, next we have this icing. It's strawberry because I wanted pink icing, so there's that. And then next we have this is supposed to be like decorating, like cookie decorating stuff. I have a pink one and a green one. I'm not sure I'm gonna use this one, but I mean, I have it here. But most definitely I'm gonna use the pink to maybe try to write like some cute words. Or I've seen like brownies that were like sweet tarts or sweethearts, whatever they're called. I might try to make some of those. And then of course I went to Target yesterday and I got these really cute heart cookie cutters, and I'm gonna attempt to use these to cut out the brownies so that they're heart shaped. Also, I'm gonna have sprinkles, but I didn't find any yesterday when I went to Target, so I sent my mom off to the store while I get the brownies in the oven, and hopefully she comes back with some really cute sprinkles. I'm hoping like heart shaped ones. I also have these heart-shaped measuring spoons. Is that what they're called? Or measuring cups? And you know what? They just fit the vibe. They fit the spirit. So we're gonna use them. You know what? I've been saving up money to get my own apartment, right? And I can't wait until I have my own place because I honestly can see myself like just waking up at like 3 in the morning or staying up till 3 in the morning and then randomly going to the kitchen and pulling out some brownies and just making a whole mess. Because that is like my dream life. That's what I aspire to do. And you know what? We're in the process of making that happen. You know what? Hopefully this video comes out funny, or at least it's entertaining, because I am like in the mood to, not in the mood. I'm like half sick. I already said this, but I'm sick right now. So I'm not really like excited to be doing this, but at the same time, I'm really excited. I don't know if anything I'm saying even makes sense because I literally slept for I've been sleeping for the last day and a half, so my brain is just not in my head right now. But anyways, we got the brownie mix. I'm making a mess, but good thing you can't see. But wait, no, actually I'm gonna make it so you can see.
Since I was talking about a whole bunch of nothing in most of my clips in this video, I decided to just fast forward and cut out most of the audio just so I don't have to sound crazy on the internet. I have no idea if it was me or if it was just my being sick, but I honestly could not mix the brownies to save my life.
I don't know if it's just me, but this is a lot harder than it looks. Or, well, it's a lot harder than it needs to be, honestly. so I'm gonna attempt to get one. That's awful. That one's awful. That one might be it though. Okay, so these are the ones that I'm gonna try to recreate. I don't have white icing, but I'm gonna try to use this pink one. And I also think they're not very big, so I think I'll probably use like either this one, maybe this one. We'll see. We'll probably do them all. Look, it's so cute. So cute. We kind of had a bit of an accident, but it sure tastes good. Originally planned to use the pink, but it's coming out this part instead of the top, so we're gonna have to use green, and it's not going to be as cute, but we'll just have to make it work. I kind of did it too big, but this is number one. Can you tell that's an X? I'm pretty sure you can tell that's an X, right? Anyways, moving on. Honestly, I think this one is probably my favorite. Okay, I think these three are my favorite. These other ones are kind of bad and atrocious and should never see the light of day. This one broke, but that's fine. I have no idea what I was doing here. I think it was supposed to be a broken heart. But I have 3 left that I'm probably just not going to decorate because I don't want to ruin them anymore. Well, actually, I haven't used my strawberry icing, so maybe I'll put that on those.